What is the area of the figure? First, we know that the big semicircle diameter is basically half of the small semicircle. So that means the diameter of the smaller circle is basically 20 centimeters divided by 2, which is 10 centimeters. And since the diameter of the smaller circle is 10 centimeters, that means the radius of the smaller circle is 5 centimeters, which is basically 10 divided by 2. Since we know the radius of the smaller circle, that means we are able to get the height of the semicircle rectangle that is surrounding it. First, we start with getting the area of the bigger semicircle, which is basically half times 3.4 times 10 square, which is half times pi times r square. And this gives us 157 square centimeters. Since we know the area of the bigger semicircle, the next thing is we want to get the area of the shaded part below the bigger semicircle, which is basically the rectangle minus the smaller semicircle. And to get the area of the rectangle, it's basically 5 times 10, which is 50 square centimeters. Then the area of the small semicircle, which is equal to 39.25 square centimeters. Now we know the different shapes for our semicircle and rectangle. We can get the area of the smaller shaded area, which is basically 50 minus 39.25, which gives us 10.75. So now to get a total shaded area, which is basically the bigger semicircle, plus 2 times of the shaded area below the big semicircle, which is equal to 178.5 square centimeters. We are having free math tuition for the whole year of 2025. Join us and receive bonuses that includes PSLE Math, 10-year series, mock exam papers, and access to Learning Portal. Find out more at easy1.sg/free-trial. See you there.